Hi guys, it's another day, another me, another video. Hindi very aesthetic ang aking labahan, ang electric pang lilinisin, ang background ko. Bakit? Kasi may nakapagsabi nga na film who you are today. Be real to yourself. And create the content and the thoughts that's in your mind. Do the doings and improve by just doing, because you never learn if you won't do it actually. Sabi nga 'di ba, sa tuwing nagte-training ako sa bawat BPO na pinapasukan ko or napapasukan ko work is nagkakaroon tayo ng training by the book. But paano nga ba tayo matututo or paano tayo mag-improve? By doing it actual calls. So yun, 'di ba? So ngayon, wala akong perfect na background. Makikita niyo yung CR ko, makikita niyo yung paligid ko, madumi, makalat. Kasi gagawin ko pa lang sila. Rest day ko eh. And pag rest day, 'di ba? Hindi totoong rest day, kundi linis day. Kasi ito yung 1 week. 1 week na ipinasok mo ng trabaho, papasok ka ng trabaho, pasok mo ng trabaho, uwi ka, matutulog ka na lang. And that's it. Yun na yung life cycle mo from Monday to Friday. Or 5 days na trabaho. Hindi naman kasi laging Monday to Friday ang trabaho sa BPO, di ba? So, ayun lang. And, you know what guys? Napaka saya na mag-show up tayo everyday. Or, I'll try it everyday. Pero, hindi naman kaya na everyday. I'll try it once a week. That's the most that I can do. Kasi right now, sa Blue app, I'm already trying my best to post daily on a 100-day challenge. 100-day challenge in a way na mag-create ako ng content, just saying may manifestation. If you want to know ano yung minamanifest ko araw-araw na mangyari, voice out loud ko, panoorin nyo, follow nyo ako sa Facebook. So yun. For now, eto muna. I just wanna show you the real situation as a 20-year-old pabata, as a 28-year-old Cecil. So yun, walang ingranding background, walang effort. Ito tayo eh. Hanggang sa makita natin yung improvement. At sa mga magpa-follow pa, thank you agad sa mga magsusubscribe. Please follow, subscribe, and basta yun. Bye!